So today tumeteka I'm doing this video after making a small loss today. So tumetake loss. There is something kwa strategy tunaitanga the third touch rule. Kwa soko kwa bootcamp wataku ya more. So the third touch rule today imework too like normal. Unajua with trading sijui niseme aje but okay let me sijui explain aje but watu wanaelewa. So let me share a video recording with my phone. This is not screen record. So ukiangalia we had this touch. Let me mark them so that watu wenye I understand why we had this touch. We had this touch. Then we had this touch. So this means our buy entry was on this touch. So immediately this market was retested hapa hivi. We got this entry for this buy position. Let's delete this. We got this entry here to push this market up. Unanipata to this zone. Stika mnaona this zone. So market went our direction, few pips, like 20-30 pips, then reversed, hit our stop loss and continued going our direction on our direction. So this means that we are not wrong, bro. We are not wrong. Our strategy is working, but unajua no strategy is 100%. Na pia losses in trading are inevitable. Like we just take losses pia.